Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add auto velocity style to your video on CapCut so you can create auto velocity edit on your CapCut. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I have imported video to CapCut project. And if we want to create audio velocity edit, we have to add audio to our project, because if we don't add the audio, so we cannot create the audio velocity edit. So we have to use audio. So tap on the add audio option, tap on sounds, and you can select an audio from CapCut, or you can also import audio from your device. And I'm just going to use the audio on CapCut. I'm going to select this beat theme, and for example I'm going to add this one beat rap. Okay, alright, and now the audio has been added to my CapCut project, and let's start adding the audio velocity style. So we can click on the video and click on the style option, and here you can select the velocity. Tap on this velocity category and you can choose the flash velocity. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process has been completed. You have to wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost finished. Just hold on guys, it take a little longer. It depends on the duration of the audio. Alright, and now the style has been applied and this is the result, as you can see. So the velocity style is created based on the audio beat. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can add audio velocity style to our video on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.